Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of Euro USD, and during the last trading session, Euro USD witnessed heavy selling pressure during the closing hours. You can see market witnessed heavy selling pressure. But before I proceed, I would like to take your attention to these comments. My dear friends, I have today found that there is another trader next door and who is commenting on my comments that appreciate your feedback and thanks for watching. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and there is also a WhatsApp number below. Okay, so my dear friends, this is not my number. If you want to contact me, if you want to get in touch with me, the only source is my website, and the website is avilashhajarika.com. It's in the description box. Apart from that website and the contact details on the website, do not trust anything that you see on the comment box. So yes, after some time I'll be removing this fake trader next door, and do not fall into any trap. Okay, because around 1 month ago I saw that there are 2 or 3 people commenting on my name. Okay, so things are getting very scary these days, so be careful. So let's look at the chart of DXY first. So just the opposite of Euro USD, DXY was extremely bullish during the last closing hours of the market and ultimately settled at 96.67. If you have watched my previous videos, then I have been talking about this support level for quite some time, that this is a very strong support for DXY, and as per our expectation, DXY did bounce from this support level and ultimately close at the resistance. But if we look at these candles here, then you can see the market was extremely bullish. So therefore there is a possibility that on Monday market will be breaking the support and going up. But keep in mind, this is a resistance and things may change during the weekend, so therefore do not trade like crazy. Okay, let the market open and then observe the market and see how the market is reacting. If you see that on Monday market is unable to cross the resistance and DXY is going down, then you'll get the picture that yes, this resistance is still a valid for us. And as we all know, DXY has got huge impact on the market, so keep your eyes on DXY and keep in mind, in case it comes down to the level of 95.80 to 95.50, this is a very strong support for DXY. Clear? Okay, now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. So heavy selling going on in Euro USD. So the first important level on the chart of Euro USD is this particular support of 1.1230, sorry, 30 to 1.1230. Okay, so if Euro USD comes down to the level of 1.1230 to 1.1220, observe the price and see how the price is reacting. Euro USD is almost or has come to the support, whereas DXY is standing at resistance. So it will be a very crucial for us to observe, and very you need to observe also very carefully. Why? Because if DXY will reverse from the resistance, then obviously Euro USD will be bouncing from the support, and that can be a good buying position for the traders of Euro USD. So therefore observe the chart of DXY very carefully. So there is a good possibility of market bouncing or going up from 1.1230 to 1.1220 level. Why? Because DXY is also standing at resistance. Okay, that is our first trading opportunity. And the second trading opportunity on the chart of DXY, sorry, Euro USD is 1.1200 to 1.1 180. This is the next support zone for Euro USD. Okay, this is the next support zone for Euro USD. In case Euro USD breaks the support of 1.1230 to 1.1220, then this level will try to provide some support to the market. Why? Because when Euro USD was in extreme downtrend, this was the level that provided support to the market. Let me show you. This was the overall chart of Euro USD when Euro USD witnessed heavy selling pressure. Okay, so this was the level that provided support to the market. So there is a possibility of market providing support here. If it bounces, you can go for buy, but be careful. In case if there is a heavy buying on DXY, then obviously there will be no support present in the market. The Euro USD will be going down. But Christmas is round the corner and New Year is also coming. So usually we see market being flat. Okay, because most of the traders are on vacation, they are in holiday mode, so we do not see heavy movement on Euro USD. And moreover, we also do not have any market turning event coming up in the next week as well. Okay. So these two are the trading opportunities. Not these two, these are okay, because in case Euro USD breaks the level of 1.1180, then we can take a sell position if there is heavy selling. Keep in mind, to get or to take a sell position below 1180 level, 1.1180 level, we need the confirmation of volume. That means that the size of the candle should be big. Okay, so keep in mind always. And in case on Monday, if surprisingly or shockingly market starts going up, then obviously we are going to get the first resistance at 1.1350. This is the major resistance for Euro USD. But the chances are very less because market will be struggling to go up right now considering the present selling pressure in the market. So let's wait and watch. And I would like to show you one more thing. Okay. This opportunity is for the mainly investors, okay, for long-term purpose, positional trading purpose. Have some patience. If this is the weekly chart of Euro USD, each and every candle signifies 1 week. So in the weekly chart, you can see that market was forming dojis or spinning top kind of patterns for the last 3 weeks. So I think that there may be some upside from here as well. Okay, maybe some upside from here as well. And if I draw the Fibonacci retracement here, okay, then you can see we have the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement also present here. So there may be some recovery from here, but yes, as the market will be flat for the next couple of days because of Christmas and New Year, we may not see some good buying or upside. But yes, I'm just saying that if you are a positional trader, if you want to take position on Euro USD for couple of weeks and months, this can be a trading opportunity. Do not buy blindly. Watch the next week. If market bounces from here, then it can be a opportunity for us. Let's wait and watch. Still, we do not have the confirmation yet, so let's wait and watch. That's it. Bye bye. Take care. See ya on Monday.